Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today, I'm not sure what I'm going to be calling this video, but I'm going to be talking about the most important thing on Amazon that determines if you're going to be successful or if your product is going to fail. And that is actually bundling your products. So many of Amazon sellers make this mistake where they don't bundle the product or differentiate the product, and at the end the product doesn't sell well and they would lose all their money. So in this video I'm going to be talking about differentiating your product and bundling. But before we get into it, subscribe if you're new and leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be using these yoga bricks as example, and I want you guys to think as a customer. Let's say you want a yoga brick, which one are you going to be buying? So over here, I'm not going to be buying that. I don't know, I just don't like the color. And then we have this and this and that. So all of these are exactly the same. This is the same, and this is the same in black, and then blue. Oh, this is the same as that. So now I know all of them are the same. So I'm just gonna be looking at the price, seeing which one is the cheapest and which one offers most bang for the buck. So this one's $7.73, $7.90, $7.99, $10.99, $23.99. Okay, I'm definitely not going to be going for this one because the exact same product is over here for $9, or like over here for $7. Then we're gonna be looking at which one has the most reviews and which one is doing the best and which one has the highest stars. So we over here they have like 4.7 stars, 950 customers review, #1 bestseller, and just from that I'm just gonna pick it because there's social proof, there's 950 customers, and it's the bestseller. And again, all of these are the same, they have nothing differentiating them, so I'm just gonna go for the best one. And unfortunately it's not showing you the price, but if the price is right, like at $7.99, then I'll definitely go for this one. Otherwise, if it's like $16.99 or whatever, then I'll just go for the cheapest one, which is probably this one over here, because it's the exact same thing and it's cheaper for only $4.99. So I'll probably go for this one if this one is more expensive than this Yogri brick mat. So as you guys know, I was thinking as a customer, and this is what I looked at. I looked at the price and the reviews and everything, and based on that I chose this one. But if I'm buying a yoga brick, I most likely need to buy yoga mats. So as you guys can see, when you're coming down here, you can see that yoga mat is being sold with these bricks. So that means a lot of people buy these yoga bricks with the yoga mat, because obviously when you're getting into yoga you want a yoga mat. So what if you bundle the yoga mat with these bricks? That would make a killer offer, because again, when you're starting yoga you want a yoga mat. So let's say you find these bricks and also the yoga mat, and for a good deal. So yoga mats usually cost like $4 to manufacture, and then you can bump up the price to $20 and you can make more profit than these guys. And again, you'll be differentiating your product from the rest because all of these are the same. So if something stands out, like let's say one of these just had a yoga mat, I would definitely go for that one because it's going to be cheaper for me. Since it's bundled, they're going to make it cheaper than if I was to buy it individually. So I would definitely go for the one that has a yoga mat included. And also what you can do is actually include a free PDF. So there are a lot of free PDFs for like everything. So for this we would need a free PDF for yoga. So let's say they included a free PDF for doing yoga, I would definitely go for that one because it offers me a lot of values. So again, you have to look at how you can offer the most value and provide the customer with the best bang for the bucks. So if you guys are looking into selling a product, I would recommend actually thinking as a customer, seeing what you would be interested as a customer if you were to buy, let's say, yoga bricks. And again, just like that, I found a yoga mat. Also what you can do is go to frequently bought together section, see what's being sold together. So for here it's yoga mats. Let's go to this product and see what's being frequently bought together. So it's a free DVD, and I didn't even know that because I actually guessed it, because that's what I would be looking for if I was to buy a yoga brick. But again, just make it valuable, think like a customer, and you will succeed. Even if you have a lot of competition, if you can just differentiate your product, add more value, then you will definitely succeed and make more sales. Let's say if you don't differentiate your product, then you're just gonna end up like all of these sellers selling the exact same thing, nothing there, and they're just racing to the bottom, and that's never helpful. So again, try to differentiate your product, think like a customer, and add the most value as possible. This will result in higher reviews and also higher sales and higher profit. You can sell these yoga bricks and just add a free PDF, forget about the mat. You can like bump up the price to like $15 and people will still buy it because they want the free PDF. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comment section below. And leave a like, let's try to go for 10 likes. Yeah guys, I'm out.